What's going on, traders? How's everybody? Stockafella doing a video late night tonight. I want to talk about UA Under Armour and how I made $1,000 in about 30 minutes today, you guys. Let's talk about the pattern. This is the pattern, you guys. I was watching Under Armour yesterday. Let me show you guys a bigger chart before we go there. I was watching this yesterday because it crashed on earnings. It was down like 20% yesterday on earnings. It went all the way from $18 to $15, you guys. The thing is, yesterday I was watching all day yesterday, and if I show you guys yesterday, let me show you guys. If you look at yesterday, it held. Let's do a 3-minute real fast. Okay, this is yesterday right here. This is yesterday, you guys. So all day yesterday was fighting back and forth. Right here, where they try to get it below $15, they couldn't, you guys, and it spiked back up. All the shorts had to cover back into that. Right here, when they kept trying, they kept trying to break it, it wouldn't get below $15. And it was a lot of volume, you guys, coming in yesterday, but they couldn't get it below $15. And then I looked at the pre-market highs, you guys. That's why you want to always look at pre-market. It's very important. So if you look at the pre-market from yesterday, let me take off this news. If you look at the pre-market from yesterday on horrible earnings, with the crash, with the poor guidance, with everything, with all the shorts, the low was 1501. So we had some support from pre-market at $15.01. Now I was like, okay, 15.1 holds. What are the shorts going to do tomorrow? What are all the shorts that shorted here and shorted overnight? If this thing squeezes, all the shorts are going to want to take their profit. I was even telling my girl today. I was telling my girlfriend, because she was watching me trade today. She was here chilling. She's like, oh, so about the company. I told her, I don't really care about the company too much. I'm thinking about, okay, what are shorts going to do tomorrow? What are shorts going to do tomorrow? If I was a short, if I'm in this, right, and I'm up 20% on my money, I'm going to take my money if this thing starts going up. Some of them might start adding here, some of them might start adding here, some of them. But what happens if they can't get below there? They're all going to get squeezed. All them shorts. Sometimes you guys have to watch a stock for a day, and then before you watch it, before you trade it, get to know the stock for a day or two. Watch how it reacts, watch how it acts, watch how volatile it is. You can see the people coming in and out if you know how to read the level 2 in times and sales, you guys. So what happened today, you guys? I watched this area right here, and this is all I did, you guys. I didn't even take advantage of this. I got my $1,000 goal and I was gone. My goal was 500. It kept going, so I was like, you know what? I scaled out, added back on right here, and took another part of this. So let me show you guys exactly where I traded this. It was right here. So dip bought it right here. When I seen all this volume come in, you guys, and they couldn't crack the 15 still, I was like, okay. Seen the first green candle, took it, you guys. Added right here. So most of I had a limit order right here. Sold a few thousand shares right here. Sold the rest right here. Added on right here, and took the rest right here, you guys. Profit on the day is $1,004. I even had 250 shares to ride for the rest of the day. I didn't stick to the plan, you guys, today. I could have made even a little more. And even look at it, even spiking after hours. I could have made a little more because I had a plan to hold the rest of the 200 shares, but I went to lunch and we went to the zoo. We went chilling. So I was like, screw this, I'm out. $1,000, we're gone, you guys. Anybody has any questions, leave in the comments, you guys. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video. I hope to help some people, you guys. Questions, you know what to do. Remember the motto, you guys. Plan to trade the damn plan. I'll see you guys in the AM. Peace out.